Founded in 1996 in Celina, Ohio, as a small rental company, Celina Tent Rental evolved into a global leader in the manufacturing and distribution of tents and event equipment. In 2012, we expanded globally with the establishment of Celina Tent Taicang Company Limited in Taicang City, China, near Shanghai. Since its inception, the Celina family of companies have grown to become one of the largest full-line tent manufacturers in the world. Celina Taicang's main business activities include the production of party and event tent, sidewall, tent liner, and customized printing tent, related metal tent tubing in both aluminum and galvanized steel, metal tent fitting, and other industrial products made of PVC vinyl material. Celina Taicang has various laboratory test machines and devices to guarantee purchased materials having good and stable quality. We also randomly pick main materials by sending them to SGS or equivalent lab every year to have third-party test report. Celina Taicang has the capacity to produce more than 900,000 square meters of PVC vinyl materials annually. More than 60% products export to USA, Canada, and Caribbean countries. Our success is driven by our commitment to quality, cutting-edge technology, and innovation. Celina's manufacturing facilities employ state-of-the-art equipment, including CNC fabric cutting machines, radio frequency welding, and hot air sealing machines. This advanced technology allows us to produce commercial tents that are simple, versatile, stylish, and durable, all while providing exceptional customer service. Celina serves professional event rental companies internationally who, in turn, provide these tents for a wide range of events, including fairs, festivals, shows, weddings, and parties.